How to blur number plate of a car in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily blur a number plate of a car in CapCut. So let's get started. First, just open up your CapCut application and click on new project to start a video. So if I were to hide the particular number plate from the video, what I can do is I should be using an overlay feature which is provided by the CapCut application itself. So I'll just simply select this overlay feature from over here. So just tap on this add overlay button over here, and basically you just have to choose any photos, specific white photos or black photos, doesn't really matter, which suits to your current transparency in the video, and you simply come to this and readjust the position of it. You can also actually readjust and position it. You can also rotate the particular image just like this and simply readjust it once again. And once you do all of that, you can simply decrease its opacity as well based on your choice. And once you do all of that, you will have successfully hidden the particular number plate from the particular vehicle. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.